The anticipation is over. We are here.
Hello, and thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. For today's cooking segment, today we are going to have a delicious and mouth-watering shrimp and crawfish etouffee. So go ahead and get your ingredients ready and let's start cooking. Okay, so we're going to start off by straining our shrimp shells and shrimp heads. We boil those to get a shrimp broth for our roux for our etouffee. So let that be our first step. Let's get started. Okay, so now we've strained our broth for our roux, our shrimp broth. We're going to go ahead and we are going to start with our etouffee. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start off by melting our butter, which we have already done. And then we're going to add our minced garlic. We'll let this cook for a few minutes. Okay, now we're going to add our flour. Reduce heat, and then we'll add our celery, bell pepper. Yeah, celery and bell pepper. I have green bell peppers and red bell peppers. And we'll add our onions. I'm going to add a very small amount of my shrimp broth. Now we're going to let these simmer until they get nice and tender. Okay, so now that we've let these vegetables cook down to get a little tender, we're going to go ahead and add our tomato paste, salt and pepper, garlic and onion powder, 2 bay leaves, our shrimp, crawfish, the rest of our shrimp broth, or as much as you can get in there. And our fire roasted tomatoes. You can go ahead and make your rice, boil your rice ahead of time first. That way it'll already be ready. And I'm gonna let this simmer until my shrimp are fully cooked. Okay, so we have simmered our etouffee until our vegetables are completely tender, and now it's time to eat. Thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks. Bye.